The exhaust just sounds terrible. And so I'm back, man. Honestly, this car is just hold on. Clean, bud. Clean details. I say clean details. But basically I gotta come back in an hour. As you guys heard, the exhaust is just too loud, man. I don't like how loud the car is. Like I gotta drop the back window up in order for me so the sound can deflect. But even inside, like listen. And I know why it sounds like that. It's because I got it. I know why it's like that. It's because I got it. It's because I have an eBay exhaust. And like, check this out. The muffler should not be this loud. The muffler should not be this loud. And you guys are probably thinking, man, this sounds good. I wish my Civic sound like that. But nah. Like I can't even hear the radio when I'm driving with the windows down. I can only imagine when I take the top off. And I'm barely doing 3,000 grand. And it's that loud. That's not. All right, listen. Let me stop playing. But yeah, man. Our car was just by me. It's too late. The back of the truck just opened. The exhaust is getting put on, boys. It's getting put on, boys. Damn, man, that thing is clean. Guys, what a difference. Listen. What a difference. The car is quiet. Listen. You don't even hear the car accelerate. I'm moving, but you don't hear the exhaust. What? Like, you hear it, but I have to accelerate hard. Let me see what it sounds like once I accelerate hard. It's already in first gear. All right, listen. Nope. Mainly the engine. Whoa. Yeah, it's a little loud. But not nowhere near as loud as before. Wow. I want to accelerate. I got all the windows down. If I roll the windows up, it's gonna be a lot quieter. This is perfect. This is perfect. And then another thing too, I got the side skirts, by the way. Another thing too, like listen, all aluminum. When I get to my house, I'm gonna tap the exhaust that's on the car now. It sounds like there's a big difference in sound as far as inside the canister itself. It sounds like on the inside of the canister, there's more, what do you call it, foam, fiberglass, and this one don't have any at all. So it doesn't even make noise until I get to $3 grand. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so real quick, I don't know if you guys are able to see the exhaust when I was at the muffler shop, but this is it here up close, and look at this difference. Solid interior, solid all around. Now listen to this one. This sounds like crap, but it's an eBay exhaust. Like, I wasn't expecting much. But yeah, man, so now I can go throw these away. Yay! Throw this away. And what I want to do next is change out nothing. So yeah, man, that's my quick update on the exhaust. Nothing really new today, just that. This is the car now. This is what the side profile look of the exhaust. I wanted it sideways, but the guy was like, no, it's gonna cost extra. So I was like, whatever. Yeah, man, so I want to thank you guys for watching this update. Real quick, small update on the Del Sol exhaust, and hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.